Good morning to everyone. I am Subramanian from Automobile Department in working as a assistant professor in Automobile Department in SNS College of Technology. In this session, we are going to see about the casting of engine blocks. So, casting of engine blocks is done by the two methods. One is conventional castings and expandable patterns. So, casting of engine blocks will be a complex one and cannot able to be machined. So, it's a critical process in the automotive industry itself, involving several techniques to ensure the final product meets the required specifications for durability, performance, and safety. Two common methods are used in the conventional castings are expandable pattern casting and conventional casting. Now here we see one by one. First we see about the conventional casting. Conventional casting, often referred as a sand casting, is one of the oldest and most widely used methods for the casting of engine blocks. It involves creating a mold from a mixture of sand and binders. There are many steps there in the conventional casting process: pattern creation, and next one is the mold preparation. Third comes the core making, and fourth is the pouring of the molten metal. Fifth is cooling and shrink out, and finally comes the cleaning and finishing. We see step by step in the conventional castings. First, the pattern creation. A pattern usually made of wood, plastic, or metal is designed to replicate the shape of the engine block. This pattern is used to form a cavity in the sand molds. And mold preparation. The pattern placed in a flask and the sand is mixed with the binder is packed around it. This sand hardens to form a solid mold. The pattern is then removed, leaving a cavity in the shape of an engine block itself. And thirdly comes the core making. For complex engine blocks with internal passages such as coolant or oil channels, cores are made of sand or placed inside the mold itself to create these hollow sections. Next comes the pouring of molten metal. Molten metal, typically cast iron or aluminum, is poured into the mold cavity. The metal fills the cavity, taking the shape of the engine block itself. After pouring the metal, we go to the cooling and shakeout. The metal is allowed to cool and solidify approximately from 4 to 8 hours. Once it has been solidified, the sand mold is broken away and revealing of the rough engine block is taken out. Then finally goes for cleaning and finishing. The casting is cleaned to remove any remaining sand and imperfections. Additional machining process may be required to achieve the final specification and the tolerances. Maybe this will be done in any of the machining process. So in this way we do the conventional pattern castings. Now we see about the expandable pattern casting. Expandable pattern casting, also known as the lost foam casting or film mold casting, is the more modern technique that offers several advantages over the conventional methods. Here the step by step is foam pattern creation, pattern assembly, coating, mold formation, pouring, and finally comes the cooling and shakeout and cleaning and finishing. Metal pouring, cooling, shakeout, and cleaning and finishing is the same as the conventional machining process. First we see about the foam pattern creation. A polystyrene foam pattern is made up to extract the dimension of the exact dimension of the engine block itself. This forms a pattern, includes the gating riser system which will manage the flow of the molten metal. And then comes pattern assembly. The foam patterns for the engine block and the gating system are assembled into a single piece itself. Then coating. The assembled foam pattern is coated with the refractory material to strengthen the pattern and prevent the sand from evolving during the pouring off process. And the pouring, cooling and finishing is similar to the previous one. With this we come to the end of this session. Thank you.